this stupid bird keeps coming back to our window and tries to get in. Hello? It will attack the window too. I think it's in love with itself.
See, and you thought I was crazy.
You are crazy.
Yeah, but not because of that.
And we have 2 cats. There's one. Oh, where'd he go? I missed it. Come on, attack the window again. I just missed it.
Did it like flop up?
Yeah, it flew away and came back.
Jasmine, that crazy bird is back.
Come on, attack the window again.
Did you make work for me?
Yep. We're going to send this to an animal behaviorist.
Still not flying away.
No, you can't attack me.
I want to see how long it'll come back.
Well, it doesn't mind me.
It's crazy bird.
There's one down there on the ground going, what are you doing, dude?
It's crazy.
Craziness in his eyes. Come on, let him catch out the window again. If it breaks through this glass, I'm going to be freaking out. Oh, 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 oh. There it is. It's trying to get in. What is up with you? I'm afraid it's going to come in the house, though, through the door one of these times.
Did you get in the house?
We had a bat come in.
Well, the door was open.
That's what I mean. He's going to get in the door.
Made